me see. Let me see.
Engine trouble.
That's a big problem.
Look! Monster Grid! Mon is going up!
Slow. Slow. Perfect fit, monster.
Vroom. Good. Good.
This is where it begins. In the quiet before the storm.
Every curve perfected, every surface polished, ready for what comes next. The grip that will hold the road, the tread that will tear through dust.
The heart awakens. Power flows through every component. Ready!
Go, monster!
Leaving the sanctuary, entering the arena.
The battlefield awaits. Others have gathered. The competition begins. The roar of challengers. The dust of anticipation. The moment is now.
Power unleashed. Traction broken. The launch begins.
Side by side. Wheel to wheel. The first test of speed. Controlled chaos. Precision sliding. Finding the perfect line.
Terrain changes. Suspension tested. Adapting to every surface.
The final push. Everything left on the track. The finish awaits. Crossing the line. The journey complete. But always ready for the next race.
Power applied. Position gained. One competitor left behind.
Full power. Good distance. So strong. Effective. Fire hit. Damage. Burned metal. Stop work. Needs repair. Garage. Garage. Move slow. Secure. Welding ready. Safety first. Fixing frame. Steady. Almost done. Good line. Solid. Ready to paint. Purple color. Correct. Smooth. Even coat. Finished. Clean work. Ready again. Go. Go. Mission done. Perfect. Police check day. Let's begin.
Lift up! Lift up!
Needs care.
Cleaning first. Smooth motion. New grip.
Secure. Engine ready. Hey.
Wash time!
Clean finish.
Looks strong.
On duty!
See how Poo-Poo's suspension works.
Driving time. I can't move. Smoke.
Too much.
Ouch. Ow. Slow. Follow me. Okay. Garage time. Some. Yes.
It's dark.
Light here. I'm dirty. Funny. This one? No. No smoke. Good. All done. Test time. I feel great. Yay! Bye-bye. Good job. Rolling, rolling. Big damage. Big damage. Very big. To the garage! Yes! So big! We can fix it! Cool machine, ready! Piece by piece. All gone. Good. That's it. Up it goes. Careful. New drum. Strong. Locked. Done.
Splash!
Beep! Police vehicle down.
We go! Tools checked.
All set.
Flat tire! Lift, lift, slow! Steady! New tire! Secure. Secure! Hydraulic release! Clear! Clean!
Perfect!
The morning is calm. The field awaits preparation.
Systems online. Power flowing. Time to begin the work.
Arm descending. Hydraulics engaged. Making first contact with the earth. Breaking ground. The soil yields. First scoop complete.
Lifting the load. Steady and controlled. The earth rises.
Swinging to position. Depositing the earth. Building the foundation for new rows.
Advancing forward. Tracks gripping the earth. Moving to the next section.
Smoothing the surface. Creating an even bed. Precision is key for planting.
Forming the ridge. Pushing the earth into line. The shape emerges.
final touches. Smoothing the crest. Perfecting the row for the seeds.
Row complete. The field is transformed, ready for new growth.
Work finished. The field is prepared. A good day's labor complete.
Pull! Nice one! Full soon. Clean. Clean. Good shape. More ready. Heavy basket.
Good harvest.
BIP. I'll build you.
Let's start.
Design time. Big and strong.
Nice.
This is BIP. IP. Ready. Ready. Careful. Careful. Big wheels. Big wheels.
Strong. Looks like BIP. Hold still.
Hold still. Hello, beep peep. Almost.
It moves.
Good job.
Water time!
Splash, splash.
So strong. Very strong.
Huh? No water. Problem. Tools ready. Careful. Careful. See it? Yes. Whoa, dirty. Blocked. Blocked. Not like that. Clean now? Yes. Done. Test. Whoosh. Wow. Perfect. So cool. Back to work. Good job.
Navigating terrain. 4-point stability system engaged. Calculating optimal path to target logs.
Systems online. Beginning forest clearing operation. All hydraulics at optimal pressure.
Target acquired. Applying maximum grip pressure. Log weight 2.3 tons. Structural integrity within parameters. Load secured. Transporting to stacking area. Power distribution optimized across all 4 legs. Maintaining balance.
Log deposited. Stack height 4.2 meters. Efficiency rating 94%. Proceeding to next target.
Warning. Structural stress detected in primary joint. Microfractures forming.
Critical failure. Primary grabbing arm structural integrity compromised. Emergency shutdown initiated. Load dropped.
System status. Critical damage to primary manipulator.
All systems entering standby mode. Total operation time, 42 minutes. Logs processed.
There it is! The damage looks worse than I expected.
The joint is completely fractured. Look at these hydraulic lines, Tabies. They're barely holding on. Multiple leaks here. The main pressure line is compromised. We'll need to replace these connectors. If we reinforce this section first, the rest should hold. See how the intact side supports the weight? Right.
All the tools are ready. Let's start with the structural reinforcement before we touch the hydraulics.
Slow and careful.
New hose ready. Secure.
Clean area.
Test now. Finished. Back to work.
So dirty. Very dirty. I need a wash.
Careful.
I got it. Too fast. Better, better. Ha! Yes, yes. Whoa! Slow. Happy car. Funny.
I can't see.
Again? Nice.
So clean. Wow.
Hey. Strong wind. And super shiny. Shiny. Perfect.
Thank you. Bye.
Clean mission. Done.